Thought I'd film a little closure on this repair on the door button that wasn't really happy with. I do have the stickers. The instructions say to clean, of course, all the grease and dirt off, use alcohol, etc., etc. But since that's new paint, I think I'll leave it as is. 2 stickers are kind of expensive, but here we go. See if I can get this centered with the camera there. It's pretty sticky. Alright, the paper sticker is a little bit bigger than the button. I think they do it to get, you know, as much coverage as possible. I'm a little worried that the edges might roll up, but right now they're laying down. It looks good. Semi-professional without spending $54 on buttons. So I guess we'll leave it there, guys. I'm pretty happy with that. So unless they start peeling off, I think that's a fix. Before and after.